Hey folks, today we are drinking a Twin Elephant beer. I picked this up the other day. The one liquor store that I like to go to does some singles. They have a little cooler that has singles in it, and this is one of those. So this is Twin Elephant. It is their Vigilante Tantrum. Is a double dry hopped American India Pale Ale, 7.5% alcohol by volume. I really like how they put the malts and the hops and the yeast on here. And then I believe if they have like adjuncts and stuff, they put those on here as well. So the malt base is Pilsner, Pale, Spelt, Vienna, and Dextrin. Hops are Simcoe, Eldorado, and Citra, and the yeast is Vermont yeast. Cool label. Always helps. Always helps to have a cool label. Except when the beer sucks. Then it's just kind of a waste of a label. I don't normally get IPAs. I got this one because I have had some spelt IPAs that I have enjoyed in the past. So that's why I got it. Just under a finger of a white, maybe just off-white head. And yeah, that's yellowish, a little darker in the middle. Yeah, it's hazy, but it's not completely opaque. So let's see what it smells like. Clara, go away. Clara. There's like a very specific thing that I am getting. Citrus, generic citrus. But there's like maybe like a candied lemon. I think that's what that is. I think there's a little bit of a melon thing as well. I'm not sure. I'm not familiar with Eldorado. I'm familiar with Eldorado. I just can't remember anything anymore. So I don't know what Eldorado usually puts off. But yeah, like a candied lemon, melon. And then there is a slight it's very subtle. And I want to say it's either like a piney like resinous thing, or orange marmalade. It could go either way. I can't tell. But those are the two vibes that I'm getting. And there's a little bit of malt that's coming through there. Smells good. Let's see what it tastes like. Cheers. That melon thing is in the taste. I like that. The citrus is more of a generic citrus. I am getting a little bit of that like sweet thing that I was getting in the aroma that was coming off like candied lemon, but it's a little more what's the word? It's not attached to the citrus as much as it was in the aroma. What is that? Maybe like a washed out stone fruit thing? Or maybe it's just more citrus, more generic citrus. I don't know. It's nice. It's 7.5%. It doesn't really drink like 7.5%. Like like this could be like 4% or 5%. Doesn't have to be this way. Doesn't have to be this way. But it's good. I like it. I don't know if I'm getting. I feel like there's hints of that spelt thing that I like, that I've had in other spelt IPAs, but it's not. But I guess this isn't like a spelt IPA. It's just an IPA that happens to have spelt in it. Yeah, but it's nice. It tastes good. Yeah, but there's no date on this. But yeah, but like with most things, I just for 7.5%. Like I don't like I'm not getting alcohol specifically, but I can tell that it's like higher alcohol than like what like the beer like wants to be or something. I don't know how to explain that. I mean that kind of just goes back to saying like this could be 4% or 5% or whatever. But yeah, so there is kind of like a malty earthy thing. It's a little bit drying actually, now that I'm thinking about it. Now that it's got to the point where I'm noticing it. I think it was there before. I'm just realizing it now. Yeah, definitely drying. But yeah, it's nice. It's good. I like Twin Elephant. They do good stuff. Ooh, I just got like an almost orange juice, like an orange juice from concentrate. You remember those frozen like orange juice things, frozen juice things? Goose, go the fuck away. This house is a nightmare. Goose. These cats are a nightmare. What was I saying? Oh, the orange juice from concentrate things. Yeah, there's some of that in here. Not as like if you added too much water to those. Yeah. All right, I think that's it. Yeah, there is a little bit of like a hoppy greenness to it. Not like hot burn or anything like that. Even though on that sip it was like a little hot burny, but not like hot burn. That was weird. It wasn't like that on the other sips. Anyway, it's getting towards bedtime, so I'm tired. What was I saying? Oh yes. Thanks for hanging out. Hope you're doing well. Taking care of yourselves, taking care of each other. You can like this video if you'd like to subscribe to the channel. If you haven't already, you can follow me on Instagram 93lumber. That's spelled out 93lumber. We will see you in the next one. Cheers.